Ever wished you could make some layers invisible only during the final export of your Adobe Animate project? Let's dive straight into how you can hide layers during rendering in Adobe Animate. First, make sure you have your Animate project open with the layers you want to work with visible in the timeline. Locate the layer you want to hide during rendering in the timeline panel. You will see a column with an icon. This controls the layer's visibility. By default, the icon is visible, meaning the layer will appear in your final animation. Click on the icon for the layer you wish to hide. This will toggle the visibility off in the editor. Notice how the icon now has a cross through it. This means the layer is hidden in the editor. However, this isn't enough to exclude it from the final render. Now, select the layer and navigate to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Properties. Scroll down within the Properties panel until you find the Advanced section. Click on the arrow to expand it. Under the Advanced section, you'll see an option called Rendered Visibility. By default, it's checked. Uncheck the Rendered Visibility box. Unchecking this box ensures that even if the layer is visible in the editor, meaning the icon is not crossed out, it will still be excluded from the final rendered output. Now, when you go to File, then Export, and choose Export Movie or Export Animated GIF, this layer will not be included in your final animation. You've successfully hidden a layer during rendering. This is a fantastic way to optimize your workflow and fine-tune your animations for different outputs.